Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna clean my iPhone XR. This is my personal phone, and yes, it's a personal phone, don't look at my pen, anyway. So my phone has been through a lot, like mowing, for example, and this phone gets quite dirty over time, so I'm gonna clean it. So the first thing you need to do to clean your iPhone is first shut down the phone, of course. And I don't know how to shut down the phone. Okay. Shut down the phone. You can get out your cleaning area solution, which is what ones I'm using. And then just clean your phone like normal. I recommend remove the case too, but I don't have to because my case is airtight on the back, so I don't need to clean the back of my phone. Just need to clean the display. Then get a paper towel, like you do. And then just wipe it. Wipe it very good, because you want it to be shiny and not wet. So when you use it. The thing is with the iPhone 10, you don't shut it down by holding the power button, because holding the power button brings up Siri. So you have to hold the volume up and the power button at the same time, which is quite weird, holding two buttons. And also, it can really kind of hurt your fingers if you're not. Okay, this phone keeps moving. I will recommend hold the phone down, especially when you're pressing hard. You want the phone to be flat. Gonna wipe it one final time, and it's done. It's beautiful. It's even shiny. Now you can show on your phone. That beautiful Apple logo. It's a good old Apple logo. Zoom enabled? I don't know why is that, but okay. Oh my god. Okay, we're done. We're done. The phone's good. And that's how you clean an iPhone XR. At least an iPhone XR is my model. So, bye-bye.